Good morning and welcome back, Flower. Mr. Walker with your morning announcements for Tuesday, May 31st, 2022. Go ahead and stand with me for our morning announcements, beginning first with our pledge. We're standing and those right hands over our hearts, and we are ready to begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Flower, you may go ahead and be seated. So, Flower, as you're seated in all level 0, getting a little sneak peek here at something we have planned for our 5th grade students later this morning. But remember, our 5th grade students are among those students who are celebrating milestones in the upcoming weeks. So, the last 2 weeks of school, we're starting with you, 5th grade. So congratulations, you are about to make that transition into middle school, and today we make that official. So try not to look behind me too much. I'll try to pivot myself over here so that you all don't see some of the things that we're starting to set up. You're getting a sneak peek, a behind the scenes at the setup of this, but we want to celebrate you all as well as our kindergarten students and our 8th grade students. Now, we're also going to be using this gym this week for our students versus staff basketball game. What a showdown it will be. So tomorrow, our students versus staff basketball game is going to take place. Please make sure that you are on time to be able to see it. Remember, as we wrap up the school year, it's important for us to make wise choices, wise decisions. Part of that is our grades. We need to make sure that we're staying on top of our grades first and foremost, and that we are always making sure that we're communicating with our teachers. One of the other things we also really want to talk about and emphasize is just character. Character is everything. Your thoughts, your words, your actions, they all speak volumes as to who you are and what you stand for, what you value. So please, make sure that every decision that you make, you think about. Every word that comes out of your mouth, you think about. And if something happens, an accident happens, you end up hurting someone's feelings, or you end up doing something that's a huge mistake, that we take the time to learn from it and we commit to never doing it again. Now, I know that's what makes our Flower community special. We are a resilient bunch. We will make mistakes. We will make poor choices from time to time, but it's important for us to not only have that recognition of what we've done wrong and ways that we can fix it. We need to be able to listen to advice. We need to be able to really understand the impact of our decisions on ourselves and others. And then we also need to give grace. Give grace to ourselves and also give grace to others. All right, students, Mr. Walker's not gonna let you forget about our summer send-off event. That's gonna be on Wednesday, June 8th, not too far away from now. That's gonna be 4 to 6:30 p.m. Carnival games, food, water slides, water games, we got video game trucks, rock climbing walls. We have so much going on. Did I mention the dunk tank yet? No, I didn't. We have so many things here, Mr. Walker's forgetting the list. It is time for us to pause, rewind, take a look at history. Asian American and Pacific Islander history that has shaped our world and society as we know it. Asian American and Pacific Islander history that has influenced our past, present, and of course impacts our future. Today, we end the month of May. Now, what does this mean? Just means that we move on to June. However, it does not mean that we stop celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander heritage and history. Like every single month, we celebrate all year, every year. We celebrate all day, every day. I begin each month with a set of questions for you all, and I'm going to end the month the same way. What does it mean to be Asian American Pacific Islander? What does it mean to be African American? What does it mean to be Hispanic Latino? What does it mean to be white Caucasian? What does it mean to be biracial? So many questions here and so many things to think about. I want you to think about why your history and your heritage matters and how it shapes the future that lies right ahead of us. Now, you all are well aware of our Dojo Power Store. Now, the Dojo Power Buck Store is a place where we've had all sorts of items and trinkets and different types of rewards throughout the year. However, in the last couple of months of school, we've put some big time prizes. Now, a lot of students are wondering, am I a winner? Did I win the scooter? Did I win the camera? Did I win the Yoda light? There's so many different prizes, and we're gonna be revealing them all little by little each and every day this week. So let's go ahead and get started. I had no idea these things were so popular, but we're gonna start off with our Yoda light. Our Yoda light is going to go to 3rd grader Helen Ariano. Congratulations, Helen. When your teacher says go, you're able to head down to the office to reclaim your prize. All right, we've got a big car set. A big car set that's going to go to 1st grader David Velasquez. Congratulations, David. You are the recipient of the car set. Come on down when your teacher says go. Now, our final prize for today, remember, we've still got many things to give away here. Our final prize today is going to be that instant camera. That instant camera that as soon as you take a picture within minutes, you will have yourself another photo to add to your collection. Now, whoever has this has to be careful. You got to look over both shoulders because not only do you have other students eyeballing it, I think you have some staff members that might have their eyes on it too. But we want to congratulate 7th grader Natalie Perez. Congratulations, Natalie. You are the recipient of the camera. All right, Flower, we're going to wrap things up there for today, but stay tuned because tomorrow and the rest of the week, we are going to be giving away more prizes, including that electric scooter, which is still up for grabs. So let's go ahead and make it a great Tuesday. Welcome back. The choice is always yours. Be safe. We'll see you around. Bye-bye.